The Global Positioning System is a satellite-based radio navigation system developed and operated by the US Department of Defense. The GPS satellites can be used free of charge by anyone. GPS provides accurate position, velocity, and time information to an unlimited number of suitably equipped ground, sea, air, and space users. In simple words, the Global Positioning System is made of a constellation of satellites orbiting Earth. Each satellite has an atomic clock on board, so it knows the precise time. As it is orbiting around Earth, each satellite is continuously transmitting its location and the time code from the atomic clock at 1.575 GHz. If you are on Earth and you have a GPS receiver, you can point it at the sky and receive the transmissions. By receiving 3 or more satellite transmissions, you can triangulate your location on Earth. If you have the 4th satellite, you can also figure out your altitude. Using this information, a GPS receiver knows its location, altitude, and configure out how fast it's going and longitude and latitude. In order to receive the satellite transmissions well, you have to make sure that your receiver has a good sensitivity.
Marine. GPS is playing an increasingly important role in management of maritime port facilities. GPS allow access to fast and accurate position, course, and speed information, saving navigators time and fuel through more efficient traffic routing. Provides precise navigation information to boaters. Roads and highways. Higher level of safety and mobility for all surface transportation system users, better location information with electronic map to provide in vehicle navigation system for both commercial and private users, increase efficiencies and reduce cost in serving roads. Aviations. GPS is used to increase the safety and efficiency of flight. With its accurate, continuous, and global capabilities, GPS offers seamless satellite navigation services that satisfy many of the requirements for aviation users. Continuous, reliable, and accurate positioning information for all phases of flight on a global basis, freely available to all. Reduce aircraft delays. Agriculture. GPS equipment manufacturers have developed several tools to help farmers and agribusinesses become more productive and efficient in their precision farming activities. The various benefits are precision soil sampling, data collection, and data analysis enable localized variation of chemical applications and planting density of suit specific areas of the field. Public safety and disaster relief. This is another important area where GPS is useful. It consists in enhancing capabilities for flood prediction and monitoring of dangerous and unusual events, providing position information about individuals with mobile phones and in vehicles in case of emergency. Surveying and mapping. Significant productivity gains in terms of time, equipment, and labor required, fewer operational limitations compared to conventional technique, accurate positioning of physical features that can be used in maps and models, centimeters level surveying result in real time.